So just wanted to make a quick Bet365 tutorial video for you guys talking about how to place an NFL Comeback Player of the Year futures bet here on the Bet365 application. So once you're into your Bet365 account, go to the top left hand side and press on the NFL tab. Once you're here, I want you to go from the lines tab at the top, slide this top bar all the way to the right to where it says futures right in between teaser cards and standings, and press on futures. Then to go to the Comeback Player of the Year future, simply just press the where it says to win out right here at the top left. Then on this drop down screen, scroll down to where it says Comeback Player of the Year and press on that. Then as you can tell, there's a whole bunch of different future odds here for Comeback Player of the Year. So let's just say you wanted to place a futures bet on Damar Hamlin. You can go ahead and press on Damar Hamlin right here and then set your wager in the bottom left and then place your bet on the bottom right. And this works for whatever players are listed with the futures odd here. So that's how you guys, it's a pretty straightforward process. That's how you guys can place an NFL Comeback Player of the Year futures bet here on Bet365. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.